my whole laundry list of ailments and everything they're pretty much gone. I've struggled with immune for pretty much my whole life. Inflammation, constant dehydration, swelling, peeing. I've been told for years and years and years that I couldn't uptake hydration and I couldn't detox bad things. I was not receiving nutrition from anything that I would eat or drink or supplements or anything. And I also couldn't detox the bad stuff. Even my tears were so toxic. Anywhere on my face that if I would have a tear, I would break out. Like that's how toxic my innards were. Brain fog, confusion, of course, trauma, concentration, hormones, sleep, hair loss, skin, digestion, food sensitivities, low stomach acid, acid reflux, heart palpitations, vision, floaters, red eyes, dizzy spells, candida, parasites, chronic pain, bone density, shoulder issues, immune weakness, stamina, low energy, weight. I was severely malnutrition, but just getting bigger and bigger and bloating. I started at 200 pounds and I think I'm down like 42 pounds, but wow. 60 pounds of fat. The weight loss really was great, but also just a byproduct. I'm grateful beyond. It's not just a weight loss thing, this is health from the inside out. This will just be part of my life for forever.